Hi, my name is Dwayne Fisher, and I'm conducting a presentation on the Xbrowser for the operation of the expense accounting webpage, which is called HTML app. First, what we're going to do is we're going to go to our Android phone and look for the browser app. We're going to click on the browser button. That browser app is going to display the Xbrowser. Then we're going to select the No button, which has, if you're familiar with finite map, it has 3 lines, which means no. So once we get there, we're going to click on that symbol, the no symbol, and then we're going to look for a button that says off lines. What it's going to do is it's going to display a file list of your SD card or your storage on your phone. So we have the list displayed. It says sort by, and then above it, it has a search box which you can search for through files and folders to locate your file. Since we're here, the file we're going to be displaying is called Expense Accounting HTML. I'm going to scroll through the list until I find the file with my finger. It's at the bottom of the screen. So I'm going to click on that. It says HTML exp.ac.html. Click it. We're here. What I have displays, it says shares, holdings, and savings account. Expense accounting HTML5 CSS3 created by just DWAIN.A FISCHER.III. It's copyright protected. Okay, and it has veteran expense accounting HTML created by just DWAIN.A FISCHER.III. So I'm going to swipe this to the right until I get my web page back. There we go. Okay. You can also, if this appears to be too big, you can adjust it by taking 2 fingers and you can zoom in until it's small, and zoom out to it's small, and zoom in until it's large enough to read. And once again, with this Xbrowser, you have to be careful because it's very sensitive. If you swipe too far to the left or the right, the file list will show up. You have to know to just drag it back, or take the back button. You can click on the bottom in the menu where it says 1, and you can go do this again. Okay, swipe to the right, and then your file is back. Okay, so now we're here, and okay, I'm going to scroll down here. I'm going to show you, it has, in this web page, there's various accounts here. I have like accounts that have well, it's like a savings plan goals. Like I'm gonna invest in like some savings bonds, so I have accounts for that, like treasury bonds. But it's just a goal that I set for myself. It's not even established yet, but I do have an account with the Treasury Department. Okay. Below that, you also notice that there's a grouping section called Monetary Budget Expense Accounts of Judge DWAIN.A FISCHER.III. And this screen keeps moving back to the list. So within that section of the web page, you have a list of months. You have October 2017 through November 2018. So the month we're concerned about, we're just going to display, for example, the month of November. And it's a budget. It's called Monetary Budget Expense Accounts. Oh, here you go. So below that, you'll see a list of accounts with hyperlinks, underlined letters. So you just click on November 2017 or any month, and they will display a web page for it. Okay. Within the web page, notice that you have a table. The table has data for creditor name, amount, and status. And below that, you have a total column for total expenses and after expense total, which is, everybody knows that it's after you pay your bills and what you have left over at the end of the month. And that concludes my little tutorial on the Xbrowser and how the how to use it, and to perform various operations within the database. And thank you for your time, and you have a blessed day.